The Greater Kansas City Chamber of Commerce has made growing Kansas City's medical research from discovery to cure one of its big 5 ideas for the metro.
We've been tracking what that actually means on this program with chamber and civic leaders over the last several months.
This week, we perhaps put the most human face on the issue as we show you how patients from as far away as New Zealand are now heading to Kansas City to take advantage of some of the cutting-edge research and clinical trials now going on in our own backyard that you may be totally unaware is happening.
Producer Rich Miller takes us inside KU Med's Clinical Research Center in Fairway, Kansas for a closer look.
You no longer have to go to St. Louis or Houston or Mayo or Denver or East or West Coast to be involved in cutting-edge clinical and translational research. It's all happening right here in Kansas City. We designed Frontiers, the Heartland Institute for Clinical and Translational Research, to be a region-wide resource infrastructure asset. So when we developed this Clinical and Translational Research Institute, we asked our partners and friends at UMKC, at Children's Mercy Hospital, at St. Luke's, at Truman Medical Center to be involved, and also at KCUMB, the Osteopathic Medical School. And we are all involved in Frontiers in the push to advance clinical and translational research in the Kansas City area.
So what this unit does is it makes it easier for people to do their research. If they have an idea, they need equipment, they need expertise, they need nursing staff to get it done. That's what we do.
We do bench to bedside, early phase research. We do a number of drug trials, and then we also are involved in outcomes research. After a drug or device or a new way of thinking has been out on the market to see if it's being adapted by the medical community. My career has mainly been involved in doing research in rare nerve and muscle diseases like muscular dystrophy or Lou Gehrig's disease. At any one time, I have about 40 ongoing clinical trials in neuromuscular disease. And we are known as sort of a magnet here at University of Kansas Medical Center for doing neuromuscular research. And patients come in from around the country, around the world to take advantage of the research that we're doing. You're flying in every 2 weeks for these infusions. How's that going?
Great, great. The people here are so friendly, so welcoming. I feel so comfortable down here. Yeah. It's been a great experience. The airlines have been wonderful to work with. It's easy to get back and forth. I feel very grateful, very, very grateful.
Yeah. Does it surprise you there wasn't anyone doing this in Chicago?
Very surprising.
It surprised me too, actually.
Yes, this is the closest, and Gainesville is the next closest. It's pretty far.
Right. Yeah. This is one of our longest travelers for this particular research study, all the way from New Zealand. Laurie Hill, so how's it going today?
Yeah, good. It was a successful day, very good.
I know you were trying to get here as soon as you could.
Yeah.
And to have access to this research drug.
That's huge.
And that was quite an ordeal with the wheelchair and all the other equipment and trying to get from New Zealand here. But you did it.
Well, you had a lot of support though. I mean, you guys did the hard work. I just jumped on the plane from
No, I think it was a lot on both ends. And then your son's here helping you out?
He is, and that's really cool. It's a long way away, and
right.
When you are in a chair, there's quite a few challenges that are hard to deal with.
So what did you find you and your son are enjoying most about Kansas City?
We've just been playing tourist day and getting out and about, and yeah, we're just loving the people actually, because TV paints a pretty weird picture of America, you know.
Not what you thought?
No, it's not. People are really genuine and friendly, and everyone says g'day. It's kind of cool. They don't say g'day, but they say hello. How are you? Yeah, so it's pretty good.
As a result of our success in sort of moving the clinical and translational research agenda forward, we were fortunate enough to compete for and be awarded a large $20 million NIH grant. And only 60 of these are given out in the United States, and they're only given out to sites that have demonstrated that they are outstanding at doing clinical and translational research, and then with the extra money that the NIH awards the site, that they can do more clinical and translational research and push the boundaries even farther. With this $20 million of money, it's $4 million a year for 5 years. We have been able to do a lot more things that we couldn't do before the grant. One of the things with doing clinical research is there is a lot of regulatory paperwork. Andra is a research coordinator, and she spends in addition to the patient care aspect of it, probably more than half your time doing regulatory work just to keep everything. This has been actually a very big year for getting large NIH awards for the Kansas City region. First was the NIH Clinical and Translational Science Award. Shortly after that, Dr. Burns and Dr. Swerdlow and their Alzheimer's research team received a really coveted NIH Alzheimer's Disease Center Research Award.
We were designated as an Alzheimer's center last year, one of 29 in the country. We have a lot of clinical research studies where we're testing drugs. We have our own research where we're interested in how do lifestyle factors like exercise, physical exercise, how does it impact the brain, and how can we use it not only to treat people with Alzheimer's disease, but can we use it to prevent Alzheimer's disease? We're trying to understand how does exercise impact the brain, how much is enough, is a little enough to provide brain benefits, or do we need to do a whole lot? So
you have the money, you have the people, you have the infrastructure, and so then you have to accomplish your research. And what does that take? It takes patience. It's a very, very special patient that's willing to sign the consent form, knowing that there are risks to almost any type of research, and say, I want to be part of this research trial, not only because it might help me, but because it might help others.
I think it's a wonderful research facility. From our perspective, it's been helpful in Virginia's Alzheimer's. She's been involved in 3 different studies.
I would very much like to contribute to more knowledge in this field. I feel there will probably be benefits for me personally, but I'm honored, obviously, if this assists others.
One of the reasons that this building, the Clinical Research Center at KU, was constructed was to be a home where we can conduct early phase 1 clinical studies, taking those compounds which have been discovered by our drug development scientists and then moving them to first-in-human studies. We did not have a facility like this in Kansas City before. We opened our doors here in June. It was part of the Johnson County tax initiative, which the voters passed in 2008. It showed an amazing foresight by the voters in Johnson County to invest in this sort of facility and in this sort of research. But I know it will pay off, and the Johnson County people and everyone throughout Kansas City will see what a tremendous facility this is and how it's going to result in some amazing research and hopefully cures for diseases.